I'm Jordan McCool, and it's time to ask the attorney your question. I'm here with attorney John Haymond from the Haymond Law Firm. Hi, John. Thanks so much for joining us.
So nice to be here, Jordan.
Today's question comes from Fran. I was stuck in a torrential downpour on the highway last week when a teenager driving a car lost control and hydroplaned into me. The weather was so bad it took a while for the police to come, and the other person left after I got their information. I ended in the walk-in the next day, and it looks like I have multiple injuries to my spine that the doctor says may require surgery. What should I do?
Oh, I'm so very sorry to hear about this. And this raises a number of issues, regardless of the weather. And we've talked about this before. The driver is responsible to drive with safety and caution and care, regardless of the weather. So clearly the 16-year-old was at fault for hitting you in this accident. The mistake here, however, is, and I've seen it ever so many times, is that you let the 16-year-old off the hook, so to speak. You let him leave without the police arriving at the scene. You do everything in your power to keep the other driver at the scene of the accident. Why is that? Because stories change. I've seen too many circumstances where people simply don't tell the truth to their insurance companies. We come up with a different version. Now we've got lengthy litigation on our hands.
And that was my question, whether it mattered if that person did leave before the police got there. Another question I thought of as well, though, if the person got medical attention the following day, not right after, does that have any bearings on the case?
In this situation, I would say no. As long as you get medical attention within a reasonable period of time, you're fine and you're safe. You've done the right thing. You can wait a day, 2, 3. Your adrenaline is kicking in, so you don't exactly feel the extent of the injury. But I do urge each and every client to treat regularly, consistently, with no gaps in treatment.
All right, well, thank you for your insight into this situation. And to ask the attorney your question, you can call 1-800-HAYMOND or you can email asktheattorney@haymondlaw.com.